Now she's inside, set to go now, final race for tonight. Oh, Cesar Tejeros and Young Court. Top on Horizonte outside. Gates of Money, Plate Safe comes next. Then followed by Peace Needed, Brother Song, Hit Resistant. And Pax Britannica is the retailer with Zen Young by Auralang Ganehaba. Court of Honor in second. 7 lengths away in third, Tejeros. Then followed by Gates of Money, Plate Safe, Hit Resistant, Brother Song. Second last is Peace Needed and Pax Britannica still racing in last. And it's still Zen Young by about 2 lengths. Here comes Court of Honor. Jackie John Alvin Goose now giving a little shake. Zen Young, Court of Honor now moving a body outside to take the lead. Now we have Court of Honor. Zen Young goes back in second. Hit Resistant in third. But it's still Court of Honor. Zen Young is running by the second. Court of Honor. Zen Young is running by the but it's still Court of Honor by Auralang Other Zen Young in second. Then racing in third now is Plate Safe as they come down at the last of the day. Court of Honor. Zen Young is down on the inside. Plate Safe in third. Court of Honor now by about 2 lengths. Zen Young, Plate Safe. Court of Honor. Zen Young, Plate Safe. And hitting the finish line in song number 9, Court of Honor. Zen Young, Plate Safe. Then comes Hit Resistant, Pax Britannica.
Okay, bayan ka-release ng ating unofficial winner for your final race. Race number 7, entry number 9, that's Court of Honor. Kung saan, yan po inirentahan ni John Alvin Guse. Mas segundo numero 8, Zen Young na nabandera. Numero 5, Play It Safe. Numero 6, Hate Resisted. At numero 4,